Ever wondered about the variety of iced coffee drinks available? From the classic iced coffee to the creamy nitro cold brew, the world of iced coffee is vast and full of flavor. We'll be exploring the rich, bold taste of an iced Americano, the sweet, creamy delight of a Vietnamese iced coffee, and the vibrant, refreshing notes of an iced matcha latte, just to name a few. So, strap in for a journey through the delightful, refreshing, and invigorating universe of iced coffee drinks. Get ready to dive into the refreshing world of iced coffee drinks. Starting with the classic, we have the iced coffee. This is your standard coffee, cooled down and served over ice. It's simple yet remarkably satisfying and can be enjoyed as it is or tailored with milk and sweeteners to your liking. Next up, we have the cold brew. This smooth operator is made by steeping coffee grounds in cold water for 12 to 24 hours. The outcome is a rich, concentrated coffee, perfect for sipping on a hot day. Then there's the nitro cold brew. This is your cold brew, but with a twist. It's infused with nitrogen gas, giving it a creamy texture and a cascading effect when poured. It's like enjoying coffee straight from a tap. For those who enjoy a creamier option, the iced latte is a great choice. It's crafted with espresso and cold milk poured over ice. It's smooth, creamy, and absolutely delicious. If you prefer your coffee bold and strong, the iced Americano is a fantastic option. It's espresso diluted with cold water and poured over ice, resulting in a refreshing and invigorating drink. The Vietnamese iced coffee is a delightful blend of strong brewed coffee and sweetened condensed milk served over ice. It's sweet, creamy, and will give you a caffeinated kick. For the chocolate enthusiasts out there, the iced mocha is a match made in heaven. It's espresso, chocolate syrup, and cold milk all served over ice. It's the perfect union of coffee and chocolate. The iced caramel macchiato is a luxurious treat. It features espresso, cold milk, and caramel syrup, all layered over ice, topped with a drizzle of caramel. It's indulgence in a cup. If you're looking for a caffeine alternative, the iced matcha latte is a fantastic choice. It's made with high-quality matcha powder, cold milk, and sweetener, all served over ice. It's vibrant, refreshing, and packed with antioxidants. Finally, we have the iced honey lavender latte. This is a floral twist on a classic favorite, combining espresso, cold milk, honey syrup, and a hint of lavender, all served over ice. It's like sipping on a garden breeze. Each of these drinks offers a unique taste and experience, perfect for all types of coffee lovers. So there you have it, a wide array of iced coffee drinks to choose from. We've taken a whirlwind tour of the world of iced coffee, from the simple yet satisfying iced coffee to the creamy and smooth iced latte. We've dived into the rich, concentrated flavors of cold brew and experienced the sensory delight of nitro cold brew. We've explored the bold and invigorating iced Americano and taken a trip to Hanoi with the sweet and creamy Vietnamese iced coffee. For those with a sweet tooth, we've tasted the perfect marriage of coffee and chocolate in the iced mocha and indulged in the decadence of an iced caramel macchiato. We've also discovered caffeine alternatives like the vibrant and antioxidant-rich iced matcha latte. And let's not forget the floral twist on a classic favorite, the iced honey lavender latte, which is like sipping on a garden breeze. Each of these drinks has its unique charm and flavor profile, offering something for everyone. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or a casual coffee drinker, there's a refreshing iced coffee drink waiting for you. As we wrap up this caffeinated journey, remember that the joy of coffee lies in its variety and versatility. It's an adventure in a cup, waiting to be discovered and savored. Thank you for joining us on this caffeinated journey. Now the question is, which iced coffee drink will you try next?